guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl reachmilano and I'm back with a new video. So in today's video I'm going to be telling you guys what I got for my birthday. As you can tell by the title, guys, I feel like a princess with all of these things around me. But yeah, so this is what I got for my birthday. I literally got spoiled so much. My friends, my family, my boyfriend, like I literally got spoiled so much, and I'm so grateful. I know you guys are all watching this video, and so yeah, thank you and keep it coming. And I'm joking. I turned 24 on the 7th of May, so wish me a happy birthday in the comment section below, and let's get straight into this video. So the first thing I'm going to open up is this bag from MAC. I didn't get a lot of stuff from MAC because I didn't really need a lot of stuff from MAC. I'm going to link in the cards the 5 best nude lip glosses for dark skinned girls, so you go check it out. But basically what I got from MAC is a new lip gloss, because like I said, if you guys watch my other video, you would hear me raving on about this lip gloss. It's literally my go-to, this one and Spite. But yeah, and then I also got a new highlighter, because I've been using the Revolution highlighter. That's usually my go-to, but the packaging of that is so trash, like it breaks every time, so I just have to go back to MAC. I got Gold Deposit by MAC. I'll show you guys quickly. This isn't a makeup video, but I'll show you guys quickly how it looks. So yeah, like I said, it's not a makeup video. And then I have my lip gloss. If you guys want to see how this looks, if you guys want to see how this lip gloss looks on me or looks on someone of dark skin, then watch the video that I've linked in the cards section. So yeah guys, moving on to the next thing. I don't know which one I want to get out first. I kind of feel like this one needs its own video, because I was in 2 minds about getting this one, but I just did it out of impulse, because you know, I was told get whatever the hell you want, so that's what I did. I just bought things off impulse. So I feel like this one needs its own video, but I'll leave it here for decoration. But I know it's a little bit of a tease, I'm sorry, but stay tuned, hit the notification button to see when I upload my next video, and I'll do a review for that one. So moving on to this one. How cute is this packaging though? I feel like the green is so pretty, like the Harrods green. I love it, like the Harrods green and then the like gold detailing of the handwriting. I think it looks so pretty. I think such cute packaging. It looks so classy, but like I don't expect anything less from Harrods. So just gonna show you guys what I've got. It's all wrapped up. When I get stuff like luxury stuff, for some reason I just love packaging so much. I love when companies take pride in like making their stuff look good, because yeah, literally with me, packaging sells me. If the packaging's pretty, I want to buy it. So yeah, and when it's all done up like this, I don't want to ruin it. I'm just gonna slide it out here. So I got this Palm Angels tee. It's like an oversized t-shirt. I've got the labels and everything here. I think I got this in a size extra small, because it's, like I said, it's oversized. So yeah, this was the smallest size I could get. I wish I could have got like an extra small, but nevertheless it's still cute. This is a size extra small. I feel like this is so banging, guys. Like I can't wait to do a look in this. Like what? I can't wait to do a look in this, boy. Like I feel like the green, the army green and the baby pink looks so good. Like guys, my favorite color is blush pink, and I feel like this looks like blushy pink, a bit more brighter than blush pink, but I feel like the 2 colors complement each other so well. Like I've got so many looks in my mind to do with this, like. But yeah, I've seen these t-shirts around, but I haven't seen this colorway, to be honest. So when I saw it, and it was like the first thing I saw, and it was the only one left, so it was fate. I took it as a sign from God, so I'm listening God. So yeah guys, I tried to put it back like how it was. Like I said to you, I love packaging. I always keep my packaging, because I feel like when you're buying these luxury stuff, you're paying for packaging too. You don't think you're not, you are. All you people that buy bags and say, oh no, I don't want the box, you're playing yourself, because you're paying for that box. Listen, you're giving them free money basically. Don't do it. So then I've got my two big babies here, the big daddies, the big mama and the big daddy. I don't know which one to even go to first. I feel like if you guys are OGs and watched my previous video, you would know what this is. If you watch my pause the video right now and comment down below. Let me know if you're OGs or not, because if you are, you would know exactly what this is. Like you would know. But getting into this is obviously Christian Louboutins. I love me some Christian Louboutins, depending what type it is. Like I said, watch my previous video, guys, and you're gonna know all of the tea within these. I got all of this from Harrods, but this one was sold out, so I had to go Selfridges to go and get this one. So I'm not going to go all in depth about like the packaging or anything like that. You guys know. If you guys want to see like an in-depth video on this shoe, I'll link in the cards my other video and you guys can see all of that. So yeah, guys, I had to grab myself another pair of the Jonatinas. Me and Jonatinas are like hand in hand. They are my shoe. They're my personal person. Because listen, these are so pretty, guys. Like you can't tell me they're not pretty. Just look at them. Look at them, please. Oh my days. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous, man. Like I said, I have these in black and I love them. Loved them so much. I've had the black ones for like 2 years, so I thought I need to get the nude ones. I always try and say to myself, oh no, go get a different pair. We don't get the same pair. But I love these so much, I had to get another pair in a different colour. So yeah, if you guys want to see a more in-depth video about this one, I'll link in the cards my other video explaining the black ones. But these are just what it is. I even feel like putting them on my feet and just giving you a little something. But no, yeah, this is what it is. I love it so much. They're so pretty. When I went to Harrods, they said that they were sold out there and Selfridges had one more left. And they said to me that these are a seasonal shoe. They're a seasonal shoe, but they're a classic at the same time. It's so weird. Like they don't have it all year round, but it's a staple in the Christian Louboutin shoes. However, they don't stock it all year round like the showcase or anything. So when they told me that, I just thought, no, I need to get them ASAP, like now, like yesterday. And yeah, they just, I could stare at them all day. I think they're so pretty. I think they're so pretty, so classy, so timeless, so effortless. Like that's what I love about them. They're so effortlessly pretty. But yeah, moving on. So then moving on, I really want to show you guys this one. It's teasing me. Like I feel like I'm doing you guys a disservice by not showing you, but I promise you it needs its own video. It'll be worth it. So like I said, hit that notification button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and hit that notification button. So we have here the big mama, the big daddy, the big everything, Miss Coco. Yep, we have Miss Coco over here. And guys, like before I even open it, like I can't get over the, what am I gonna say? Packaging. How many times have I said packaging in this video? Packaging sells me, guys. Like packaging does it for me. The camellia flower, beautiful. Like even to touch, it feels so damn good. I've got the receipt in here. What do you guys think this is though? Like I would love for you lot to comment down below and let me know what you think this is. I would love to actually hear what they think. Yeah, don't watch it then go comment, because I can see you. So this is how the box looks. It's all packaged in the Chanel ribbon. I don't even want to take it off because they've done it so pretty, like they've done it so nicely, and I know I'm not going to be able to do this again. It's making me sad even having to take them off. But thank you so much, Pen. Pen's my personal shopper in Chanel, and she did like an amazing job sourcing these for me. Literally when I came in, she had like 5 of them already for me. So thank you so much. Guys, you know what I feel like right now? Have you guys seen that meme of Nicki Minaj? When she's opening her Chanel boxes and she's like, ah! Have you not seen that? If you see that, let me know. If you're a real barb, let me know. So we open the box up and it comes with laces. So that already told you what I got. But yeah, it comes with laces and it's obviously in the Chanel logo over there. It also has, I think this is the care manual. Yeah, I think it's the care manual. It comes with 2 dust bags. I'm not too sure if it actually is supposed to come with 2 dust bags. I just told Pen that I really want, I told her that I want 2 dust bags if that's possible. She's like, yeah, that's fine. So I'm not actually sure if it comes with 2 dust bags or she just added it for me. Guys, they're so pretty. Look what I got. Look. So this is the classic sneakers. I don't even know what they're called. I think they're just called the classic CC sneakers, or I don't know. But yeah, I love the fact that it has the CC in black because I feel like that gives it an extra pop. I love everything about them. I think the lighting is going to wash these out, so you can't really see it properly, but I'm going to do a close-up for you guys so you can see it, because these, you need to see these properly. Like, they're so cute. So like I said, they're the classic CC trainers, sneakers if you're American. They've got the CC logo here, and then it also has it there, and then obviously you can see it on the sole of the shoe, and then it just says Chanel inside. Like I said, if you guys can't see it properly, I'm going to do a close-up, so don't worry. I love these so much. Usually when I go in store, they're never in stock. When I say never, I mean never in stock, like ever in stock. So luckily I got spoiled and managed to get them on my birthday, and I'm so happy. Like I said, there was loads of colours to pick from. Like I said, Pen managed to get me like loads of different colours to pick from. There was like a new season blue pinky one. There was also like just a few other colours, but I decided to go for the classic whites because I felt like I could pair these with so many different outfits. I feel like I could get so much more like worth out of them. And guys, the material here isn't leather. I don't know what material it is, but basically it's not leather. So I really like that. So it doesn't crease. Like when I walk, it won't crease because I don't know what material this is, but when I walk, it won't crease because it's not leather, which I love that. So it will give me like more longevity. I know some people get scared when they see a white shoe, especially like a white shoe that's quite pricey, but I just prefer them. Like I just have to take care of them, obviously, and I feel like I look after my stuff really well anyway. So what makes you think I would not be looking after Chanel's properly? I got mine in a size 5.5, and that's usually my normal size, so I would say they fit true to size. They're slightly loose, not loose as in like they're coming off my feet, but there's room space in there. I tried the size 5s on and they felt too snug, so the 5.5 were literally perfect, which is my normal size. So yeah, they definitely run true to size. So I got these in the classic whites. I call them the classic whites, but Chanel actually call these, they call them ivory. They call them ivory. I feel like they look white, but whatever. You know these luxury brands, they love to use like these bougie different names. The color's white, but ivory, okay. But yeah guys, I love them so much. Like, CC me baby. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram page. I'm gonna pop it on the screen right now. Follow my Instagram page to see how I'm gonna style all of these things that I've showed you, especially these. Watch out for how I'm gonna do some Mazzoline styles of these. Like, I can't wait to style these lot up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like I said, this is what I got for my birthday, my 24th birthday. So huge thanks to all my friends and family, my boyfriend or whatever. But yeah, if you guys want to see what's in this, don't worry, I'm gonna do an unboxing of this really soon. You'll see why I wanted to do its own separate video real soon. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below what your favorite thing in here was. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.